What is going on today, YouTube? Today we're going to be reviewing this beast of a knife, the Microtech MSI. It has a 3.9 inch M390 MK sheep's foot blade with about a 3.4 inch cutting edge, a black polymer tri-way handle, of course with reversible pocket clip, so it is completely ambidextrous. These are going to be manufactured right here in the USA. Of course, those are just the statistics, but let me tell you what, if you have not handled this fine cutting machine, you're missing out. The action is incredible, and that M390 MK on the blade is manufactured exclusively for Microtech by Bowler to offer an edge that is going to stay longer due to a consistent carbon content in the manufacturing process, which allows for a more consistent heat treat on the edge. Pardon that terrible flick. That was me, not the knife. The only issues I've seen so far with this are the availability, which Microtech has addressed. They've offered multiple variants with different handle materials to make this more widely available. But with that ram lock, everybody right now wants that. It's Microtech's version of a crossbar lock, and it operates fantastic. The only downfall I've seen with the ram lock is the early models were failing the spine whack test. And I've got to tell you, I've had no issues with mine. Just to prove it, I'm going to go ahead and whack this right now to show you that they do not fail. I believe that's hard enough to show you without getting crazy, that these lock up tighter than Fort Knox. So if you're looking for a pocket knife you can really trust in your pocket for hard use, that's going to retain an edge, keep your hands free of the cutting edge during opening and closing, and is made right here in this great country, look no further than the Microtech MSI. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and subscribe. If you did not like this video, leave me a comment and tell me why you didn't like this video and what I could do better on the next one. This has been Adventure Man with another knife review. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.